Right now at 4, the Weather Impact Team tracking Hurricane Milton, now a massive Category 5 storm. The state of Florida is in the process of mass evacuations, the largest evacuation effort there since 2017. The Tampa Bay area could see a 12-foot storm surge just 2 weeks after Helene sent water rushing through homes and businesses. Taking a live look at satellite images of Hurricane Milton as we speak, the Cat 5 storm continues to intensify over the warm Gulf waters and is expected to make landfall on Wednesday. Thank you for joining us on WUSA 9 and streaming on WUSA 9 Plus. I'm Simone D'Alba. Look, there's never a good time for a hurricane, right? But Milton is about to add insult to injury for Florida's Gulf Coast. Meteorologist Caitlin McGrath is tracking Milton, and Caitlin, the timing of this storm just could not be worse.
Yeah, I mean, Simone, coming right on the heels of Helene, of course, but I'm also concerned about the timing of that landfall. Landfall is now expected later Wednesday night and overnight into Thursday morning. So here's the storm right now, and I show you this satellite imagery to really focus on that well-defined eye. That is a sign that this is a really powerful storm. Again, it did upgrade to a Category 5 hurricane. That was the fastest rapid intensification, tied with Wilma, of a storm within 42 hours. Just a beast of a hurricane that's going to pass just to the north of the Yucatan Peninsula overnight and into early Tuesday morning. The storm approaching the Florida Gulf Coast as a major Category 4 hurricane Wednesday afternoon. Florida will start to feel the impacts as early as tomorrow evening, though, just given the magnitude of this storm. Right now, the National Hurricane Center brings Milton onshore as a Category 3 hurricane. But trust me, whether it's a Category 3 or a Category 4, it doesn't matter. This storm is going to devastate parts of the Florida Gulf Coast. And then it passes right over the peninsula overnight. Again, that is such a big concern because we're talking about those hurricane force winds well inland while people are sleeping. Milton is still a hurricane as it moves back over the Atlantic by Thursday morning and then pushes out to sea. So in terms of the impact of Milton for the Florida Gulf Coast, we're talking about life-threatening storm surge along the Gulf Coast and for other parts of the Florida Peninsula. Hurricane force winds, again, well inland, even into Orlando, you could be dealing with those hurricane force winds. And of course, this is a tropical storm. It's going to pack a ton of rain on top of areas that are already so saturated. We're talking about a flash flood and urban flood threat, as well as major river flooding. So if you do have loved ones in the area, you need to make sure you check in over the next couple of days. Again, conditions will start to deteriorate tomorrow evening. There is still time to prepare, but unfortunately that time is running out. Now,